We interrupt this program for a first alert weather advisory.
All right, and good evening once again to you. We're going to try to do this video fairly quickly so that I can upload it fairly quickly. And I want to do this all in 2 minutes, so we'll see if I can do it. Right now, we've got that continuing storm complex moving towards southern Illinois, but we've also got more storms. This cell right here continues to strengthen, and it's going to continue to move off to the east-southeast at about 25 miles an hour, and it probably will pick up speed. But right now, it's out ahead of the main storm complex. So again, I showed you the track on that earlier. We'll go ahead and we'll track it again. I'm tracking it a little bit more south and east, so let me redo that, kind of make that a little bit more accurate and fine-tune it in. Based on the current movement of it, here's a look at some of the impacted locations right now. For portions of West Frankfort, we're talking you by 5:05, Pittsburgh 5:23, Harrisburg 6:02, El Dorado at 6:11. What I'm going to do now is, and you can go back and pause that if you need to see some of those tracking locations. Looking in here for signs of real heavy winds and signs of hail. We're looking awfully far from the radar site from St. Louis at this, so we'll probably have to look at Paducah, but that storm system continues to strengthen. Still seeing signs of hail in this activity that's pushing towards our area, the main system that has been prompted the severe thunderstorm watch. This activity is continuing to gain strength and show signs of intensification. I'm going to continue to track it at 40, and as we do that, here's a look at some of the key areas being impacted by these storms. Go ahead and pause this. Pick the closest town near you. We're talking Nashville, Illinois by about 5:05, not very far away. DuQuoin by about 5:20. Murfreesboro by 5:26. My friend that lives over just near the Carbondale area by 5:36 or so. Salem by 5:40. Mount Vernon 5:44. We're talking the Marion Airport by about 5:50. Anna, Johnson City, Marion between 5:50 and 6 o'clock. Miss Bunting there at Bunting Farms by 6:01. We just had a severe thunderstorm watch issue, or severe thunderstorm warning, issued for this storm system we're talking about. We'll get to that in just a second. 6:24 for Harrisburg. So again, that's the track. Let's go ahead and talk about the new severe thunderstorm warning. So who's in this? If you right now are in Ava, portions of western Carbondale, you may have a Carbondale mailing address. This storm will be impacting you very quickly. It's moving up on your location, moving east, southeast at 40. DeSoto, Elkville, DuQuoin, Tamaroa, Du Bois, any of these communities I'm calling out or that you can see on your screen are now under that severe thunderstorm warning. And this particular severe thunderstorm warning goes out until 6 o'clock for hail up to the size of quarters and 70-mile-an-hour winds. Some key locations being impacted there on the screen. We'll continue to track these storms for you, keep you up to date. But right now, reporting in the Weather Center, Kay McFerrin, 9 News.